These are the 3 biggest law firm owner P&L mistakes or bookkeeping mistakes I see. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. We do bookkeeping for law firm owners, and we're super good at it. That's all we do. Okay. If you are a law firm owner and you need help, go to bigbird.accounting.com. Let's chat. Okay. 3 biggest law firm owner bookkeeping mistakes I see. These are pretty straightforward, but they are rampant. Okay. I know this. I used to make them. I'm also a law firm owner. That's why I focus on you, the law firm owner. But I see these all the time with clients, for sure. Number 1, and this is a huge number 1 for some reason, is mixing personal and business expenses. Okay. It's really, really easy to separate the two. And if you separate the two, it's really, really easy to track and make sure you're not missing any business expenses. What happens more often than not is business expenses are put like on a personal card or paid for with personal money. And then because you forget and you're not keeping your books up to date, that expense never makes it into your books. And so it doesn't ever get written off. And so you're paying income tax on it. You don't want to do that. Okay. The simplest solution, the easy solution, is to get at least one business credit card. And anytime you have a business expense, put it on the business card. Really, really straightforward. Okay. Really, really straightforward. If it's a personal expense, you put it on your personal card. You can have cash around, I guess, for business expenses, but pretty much everyone will take a credit card and hardly anyone will take a cash anymore. So just stick with the card, okay? And don't use a bank card, by the way. This is going off topic a little bit. Use a credit card, get some points. Use the points for fun things. You know why? They don't count as income, all right? So that is number 1. The second biggest law firm owner bookkeeping mistake I see is miscategorizing items that are personal items on your P&L, okay? So everybody wants to get a little creative with how they categorize something. Sometimes business expenses and personal expenses are kind of gray, what's what. But if you categorize something on your P&L as a clear personal expense, then it's not gonna work, okay? So for example, and this is technically as a personal expense, you just should put on your P&L. But I've seen P&Ls with things that say like massages on them or like medical expenses on them. So you can't write these things off. Makeup, okay? Clothes. These are not things that you can write off. And you have to be extremely creative to write them off. You're probably not going to write them off at all. But don't line item out on your P&L where it's going to be easy for anyone to see that you're raising red flags, okay? So keep it ordinary and necessary business items. Get expensed. They go on your P&L. They are business expenses. If they're not, then they go on your personal sort of expense, and then you don't get to write them off. Okay, that's number 2. The third problem that I see with law firm owner bookkeeping is failure to reconcile accounts regularly. Okay, what does this mean? When you reconcile your bank accounts, you're really reconciling your P&L against your bank accounts. Okay. Your bank account shows you the true balance that you have, all of the true transactions that you have that have been recorded by your financial institution. And you're going to take those numbers and you're going to compare them to what's in your P&L, typically what's in your QuickBooks or your Xero account, and make sure they match up. Why is this important? 2 reasons. Number 1, sometimes income can get counted twice. If income gets counted twice and you don't catch it, you are going to pay double the income tax on that transaction. Sometimes expenses don't get counted. They don't make their way into the system, the QuickBooks system, for example. If you don't do that, then that's also counted as income. You don't get to write it off. So we reconcile the bank account with the P&L to make sure that we're not double counting income or missing expenses. We know the numbers that are in there are true and accurate and correct. Okay. If you do that, you'll have clean books. You know you're saving all the money that you can. And then you also know how much money you're making, which is kind of nice. All right. That's it. 3 common law firm owner bookkeeping mistakes. If you are a law firm owner and you need help with your books, go to bigbird.accounting.com. Let's chat. We're the best. Okay. We're on time. We communicate well. We know what we're doing. Okay. So do that. And that's it for today. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. Hope to talk to you soon.